Hello friends, I would like to tell you about the mount with a bottom T-bolt that has been designed for installing on T-tracks. To fix the mount on the track, you only use the T-bolt. If you need to install it on a hard deck, just install a mounting pad and fasten the mount on it by tightening the nut. Use the special mounting pad for installing on inflatables. You can install several mounts on the special mounting pad shaped as a T-track. The mount can be moved along the track and fixed into the right position. The internal splines of the mount are compatible with all accessories produced by BORIKA. The assembly consists of the main body, locking mechanism, a handle nut, a T-bolt, and a special place on the body where the carabiner can be attached. The product is made of fiberglass-reinforced polyamide. I personally guarantee the high quality of BORIKA products because I'm their creator, inspirer, and active user of accessories.